we have to be careful, no? As, kasi marami din akong kaibigan sa media. You have to be careful in citing the AMLAC report. Okay? Because even in Section 14D, yeah, in case of a breach of confidentiality that is published or reported by media, pag yun, no? The responsible reporter, writer, president, publisher, manager shall be liable under this act. Kaya nga po sinasabi ng batas, hindi pwedeng ilantad. Pag hindi pwedeng ilantad, mas hindi pwedeng ipakita ng media yung mga alleged bank transaction reports. Dahil mismo sa batas po, di ba, pinagbabawalan ang media na i-quote, ipakita yung mga transaction na yon, di ba? Well, this is the law, no? It may be argued that it's against the freedom of speech expression, but until it is challenged before the Supreme Court, it should be observed, no, by all. So let's be cautious po, no? Because I know you're doing your job, but of course we have to be also careful. No? Attorney Mans has not and has no intention, no, to file any case against the media. Okay? So we know that you're doing your job only, and you may have missed, no? Dahil hindi naman po lahat ng media are also lawyers, no? But we understand that, but we're just trying to caution you now, no? Medyo hinay-hinay po tayo dahil sabi ko nga, kung hindi kami, baka yung iba. Di ba? Baka sa may mga ibang panahon na meron kayong ilabas din. At least we're trying to educate the media that there is such a provision of the law.